3x. Very simple sum, direct sums, right? So that we are going to see. So what it will be here? First, let us take y equal to sine 4x. So first, what did I say? First, find out power, function, angle. Power in this is what? Power is 1. Sine 4x only they have given. So power is 1 only. So we need not worry about it. Function. So next what we have to do? Sine 4x. Function is sine. So when you differentiate sine, you will get cos 4x. Whatever x value comes, angle, you have to write as it is. D by dx of, then angle you have to differentiate. Differentiation of 4x is 4. So 4 cos 4x. Straightforward, simple sums. Okay. Next is what? Cos 5x. So dy by dx will be equal to what? D by dx of cos 5x. First function we have to differentiate. On differentiating cos, you will get minus sign. Okay, 5x, and we have to differentiate the angle. So it will be minus 5 sine 5x will be what? The answer. Clear? Now, third sum is what? The third is tan x, correct? So it is tan 3x. Again, dy by dx is tan. Differentiation of tan is what? Secant square 3x. Then you have to differentiate angle, which is 3x. So it will be 3 secant square 3x. Okay. Next is fourth one. Okay. Y equal to cos x cube. Now, again the function power is 1. X cube, the angle power is 3. So don't get confused. So dy by dx will be equal to cos differentiation. When I differentiate the function, it will be minus sine x cube. Then differentiation of angle is 3x cube. What is the differentiation, ma? 3x square, correct? So minus 3x square sine x cube. Next is what? Fifth one. Y equal to cot square x, correct? So dy by dx will be equal to what? See, power is now cot square x, which can be written as what? The function power is 2. So first we have to differentiate the power. So when we differentiate the power, 2 cot x, correct? To the power 2 power minus 1, which is 1 only. So I am not writing it. Okay, if you want, in the beginning you can write it. Then you have to differentiate cot x, correct? So it will be 2 cot x. Differentiation of cot x is what? Minus. Cot x differentiation is what? Minus cosecant square x. Correct? So now this is the answer. Minus 2 cot x cosecant square x. Next one is what? Next, sixth one is tan cube x. Straightforward, but for your practice, you have to do it. Here power is what, ma? Tan x to the power 3, correct? Function power is 3. So first we need to differentiate power. So 3 tan square x, okay? So 3 tan square x into d by dx of what it will be? The tan x we need to differentiate. So it will be 3 tan square x. Differentiation of tan x is what? It is secant square x. So it will be 3 tan square x secant square x. Further you need not simplify. Okay. If it is a proving question, you need to simplify according to the given answer. When it is a simple thing, you can just leave it here. Next is what? Okay. So next is seventh one. Y equal to cot of root x. Function power is only 1. So directly I can differentiate. Cot x when I differentiate, it will be minus cosecant square. What I will write, Bharat? It is root x only. You cannot write x. Okay. Root x is the angle. Then I have to differentiate the angle. So when I differentiate the angle, what it will be? 1 by 2 root x. Correct? By this time, you should remember all these things. Simple formulas. Again and again, don't go back and do it. Okay. Eighth one is what? Under root tan x. Correct? So function power is 1 by 2. So dy by dx is, first I will differentiate power 1 by 2 tan x to the power half minus 1. Then I have to differentiate the function. So it will be 1 by 2 root tan x d by dx of tan x is what? It is secant square x. So secant square x by 2 root tan x. Clear ma? Next. Ninth one is what? Y equal to 5 plus 7x to the power 6. Very simple sums. Okay. Once you finish differentiation, you people will say that these are all nothing but what? Like A, B, C, D. Okay. So it's very simple. So first power. So 6 into 5 plus 7x. I have to reduce one power. So 5. D by dx of 5 plus 7x. You know that you can differentiate each term, right? So 5 on differentiating it will be 0. 7x on differentiating it is 7. So 42 into 5 plus 7x to the power 5. Correct or no? Till here any doubt? Next is again y equal to 3 minus 4x to the power 5. So dy by dx will be equal to 5 into 3 minus 4x to the power 4. D by dx of inside we have to differentiate. So 5 into 3 minus 4x to the power 4. It will be nothing but what? 3 on differentiating 0, 4x on differentiating 4. So minus 23 minus 4x to the power 4. All of you are getting this answer. So the next question is, my seventh one. So y equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4 to the power 5. So first power dy by dx is 5 into 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Then dy by dx of inside function we will just differentiate. So this as it is it will come. And differentiation of 2x square is what now? 4x. Differentiation of 3x is 3. Differentiation of 4 is 0, constant, right? So 5 into 4x minus 3, 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Till here any doubt you can tell me. Next is what? Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c to the power 6. So first function, power we have to differentiate. Power is 6. So inside whatever the function is, I have to write as it is. Then I will reduce the power by 1 and then d by dx of what? Ax square function I have to differentiate. Correct? Now 6 into ax square plus bx plus 5 to the power plus c to the power 5. Here what it will be, it is ax square. X square on differentiating it is 2ax. Bx differentiation is b and c differentiation is 0. So it is 6 into 2ax plus b into ax square plus bx plus c. Any doubt? So don't copy. You do it by yourself. Just look at the answer, and if your answer is not matching, you ask me, I will clarify it. Okay? And I can identify where you are going wrong. Clear? So next is what? Y will be equal to 1 upon x square minus 3x plus 5 to the power 3. With the function in the denominator, can we do the differentiation? No, right? We cannot do that. So what we will do? We will take the function first to the numerator. So x square minus 3x plus 5 to the power minus 3. Correct? Then now we will do the differentiation as usual. Power, first we have to differentiate. So x square minus 3x plus 5. So by habit don't put minus 2. If it is positive number, n minus 1. X power n is what? N x into n by x. N into x to the power n minus 1. Correct? Here the n value is negative. So minus 3 minus 1. For that I am writing the step. Okay? So x square and then we have to differentiate the function. So now what it will be here? It is minus 3. This if you bring it to the denominator, x square minus 3x plus 5 to the power minus 4 plus 4, right? Minus 4 when you bring it to the denominator it is. So this one x square on differentiating 2x minus 3x on differentiating it will give you minus 3 plus 0. So it is minus 3 into 2x minus 3 divided by x square minus 3x plus 5 to the power 4. If you want, you can take the minus inside and write, but it is not necessary. Till here, any doubt you can tell me. Next question onwards, it depends on your what is that trigonometry knowledge and everything. Whatever method you want, you can do it. Okay, so your answers will vary accordingly. Okay, so there is no restriction that you have to follow this technique or that technique. Your answer depends on the identity that you are using it. Okay, so I will do it in two methods for this. So let us see how it is going. Okay, so now first one is what? Which sum I am doing it? 14th sum, right? But in the beginning, you just don't use any trigonometric identity because you need to learn differentiation, quotient rule, product rule, power rule, everything you need to get used to it. So that's why I am not going to use any trigonometric identity, but you can use it. Okay, it's very simple to use trigonometric identity for these sums. So now what it is? A square minus x square by a square plus x square. But what is that? It is under root. So some people will use t and everything, that is intermediate variable. I will use the direct method, power, function, angle. That's all. Okay, here no trigonometry is not there. So function only, power and function. So what it will be, here it is. So y equal to this much means dy by dx will be equal to d by dx of what it is, under root a square minus x square by a square plus x square. What is our first duty? We have to differentiate power. Power is half here. So it is 1 by 2 differentiation, that is power, what it will be, a square minus x square divided by a square plus x square to the power half minus 1. Correct or no? Then differentiation of the function, that is a square minus x square by a square plus x square. Any difficulty? Now, what it is? 1 by 2 a square minus x square divided by a square plus x square to the power minus half. This I have to differentiate. So when you do it, you have to be very clear. Okay, so don't copy, you do it by yourself. Quotient rule we have to apply. So when I apply quotient rule in the beginning, this is beginning, right? So you better write what is u, what is v. Okay, u is nothing but what? U is a square minus x square, numerator. V is what? A square plus x square. What is du by dx with respect to this a square? 0. So minus x square, when you differentiate, it is minus 2x. Similarly, dv by dx is what? It is plus 2x. Correct? So what is the formula? V square should come in the denominator. So a square plus x square, the whole square. Next, v du. Correct? V du minus u dv by v square. Correct or no? So v is what? A square plus x square. What is du by dx? That's only I have written it as du. Minus 2x minus what is u? A square minus x square. What is du? dv by dx? It is 2x. Correct? Any doubt in this step? Tell me. Minus half, right? So I will just take, I can write it the inverse of this. A square plus x square by a square minus x square to the power half. Correct? Now, here when you take 2x outside, okay? When you take 2x outside, minus 2x outside, because both have minus sign. So what will happen? Here a square plus x square will be left out. Here a square minus x square will be left out. And here it is a square plus x square, the whole square. Correct? So this two will cancel, and x square will cancel. So what you will get? 2a square minus 2a square plus x square to the power half divided by a square minus x square also there. Here 1 by a square plus x square, the whole square. Now minus 2a square divided by a square minus x square to the power half. Correct or no? This one, the bracket, I need to put it correctly. So now what is this one? Here a square plus x square to the power half is there. Here 2 is there. So when you bring it to the denominator, what it will become? 2 minus half. 2 minus half is what? 3 by 2. So a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. So this is my final answer. Clear all of you? In this any step, if you have doubt, tell me. Any doubt now? Okay. Next sum also similarly you have to do it. Okay. But so what it will be? 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. Okay. So here I can do some simplification so that I can get the answer quickly. See, there are, I told you 1 plus sin x or 1 minus sin x. What you can write, ma? Cos square x by 2 plus or minus sin square x by 2 the whole square you can write. Correct? So you can take that out of square root. Okay, and then further you can simplify. The other way of doing it what? 1 plus sin x, this one numerator and denominator rational, this one they have given, right? So what I can draw? 1 minus sin x, I can multiply and divide by. Okay, I can multiply and divide by 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x. In this way what I am doing it, ma? Here it will be 1 plus sin x the whole square I will get, and down I will get 1 square minus sin square x. But we know that cos square x plus sin square x is what? It is 1. So 1 minus sin square x is what? Cos square x. So 1 plus sin x the whole square divided by cos square x. On taking it outside the root, it will be 1 plus sin x by cos x. Correct? So which you can separate it as two terms, 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x. Correct? So this is nothing but secant x plus tan x. See, y has become secant x plus tan x. Very simple now differentiation. Earlier it was complex. Now it is very simple. Is the steps clear? So what I have done? I have done simply multiply and divide by 1 plus sin x. When I did that, 1 plus sin x the whole square, you will get it in the numerator, and denominator 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is what? Cos square x. Correct? So that I will substitute it. So both the terms, now square terms we got it. So I will take 1 plus sin x outside and cos x outside. So what it will be? 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x. So which will give me secant x plus tan x. Now your differentiation is easy because differentiation of secant x is what? It is secant x tan x, and differentiation of tan x is secant square x. If you want further, you can take secant x outside. So tan x plus secant x it will be. Clear? Any doubt in this? Okay. Now next is 16th sum. These sums are very simple only. This you can do by yourself. So do it fast and check the answer alone here. Okay. Very simple, direct thing. Here power is there. So cos square, that means power is there. Cos x cube to the power 2. So dy by dx will become what? 2 cos x cube. Any doubt in this step, please tell me. D by dx of what? Now we have to differentiate cos x cube. I just differentiated power only. I have not yet differentiated the function. So 2 cos x cube, on differentiating the function, it will be minus sin x cube. Then I have to differentiate x cube. So it is nothing but what? Minus 2 cos x cube sin x cube. Okay, here this is nothing but what, ma? Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. But 2 cos x sin x is what? Sin 2x, right? So it is minus sin 2x cube, okay, into 3x square. That I can write it here. Is it clear? Sin 2x sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. Next is, if I am going fast, stop me, okay? And do it by yourself. Don't copy. So y is secant cube. So again power is there. So first I will differentiate power, which is 3 secant square, right? Cube means square, power. So x square plus 1. Whatever comes here, the function as it is I have to write. Next, Angle. Here this is angle, right? Power function angle. Now, what is it? We have to differentiate secant x square plus 1. Do it step by step, you will never go wrong. So 3 secant square x square plus 1, differentiation of secant. It is secant x tan x. So secant x square plus 1, tan x square plus 1. Now we have to differentiate angle, which is x square plus 1. So it is 3 secant square x plus 1. Here it is, okay, 3 secant cube x square plus 1 tan x square plus 1. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So it will be 6x secant cube x square plus 1 tan x square plus 1. Is it clear, ma? Any doubt? Do it step by step patiently and you will get the correct answer. This is the foundation fundamental exercise, and if you get it correct, the further exercises will be very easy. Okay. So under root cos 3x. Again, what is that? Power is involved, right? Cos 3x to the power half. So dy by dx is what? First power. So half cos 3x to the power half minus 1. So 1 by 2 cos 3x to the power minus 1 by 2. Correct? Now, what it will be here? Again, we have to differentiate the function. So, what it will be? Cos 3x. So, here 1 by 2 under root cos 3x. Differentiation of cos 3x is what? It is minus sin 3x, and then you have to differentiate 3x, which will give me minus 3 sin 3x divided by 2 root cos 3x. See, already last class I told you, in differentiation, whatever is the coefficient of x, you need to multiply the coefficient in the result. And integration means you will divide the coefficient of x. But if I say that in the beginning itself, you may go wrong. So that's why every time I am doing the differentiation of the angle. Otherwise, I can straight away write 3x means 3, 5x means 5, ax means a. But in the beginning, you do it like that. Once you get accustomed to this, you will automatically start writing without that step. Okay. Is that clear? Any doubt? Now next one is what? This is also simple. Okay. Cube root of sine 2x. Again, power is involved. Sine 2x to the power 1 by 3. Dy by dx is what? 1 by 3. Sine 2x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. Then dy dx of sine 2x. So it is 1 by 3 sine 2x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 is what, ma? Minus 2 by 3. Correct? So differentiation of sine 2x is cos 2x d by dx of 2x. So it will be 2 by 3. Differentiation of 2x is what? 2. 2 by 3 cos 2x into sine 2x to the power 2 by minus 2 by 3. Is it clear? You can bring that to the denominator and write it as positive power. That's up to you. Okay. Next sum, 20th sum is 1 plus cot x. Okay. So 1 plus cot x, what you can write it? The previous, like previous sum, what you can write, ma? 1 plus cos x by sin x. Correct? 1 plus cos x by sin x, on taking it, it is sin x plus cos x by sin x. That way you can just substitute and do it. The other method, what we can do it? 1 plus cot x, or directly you can do it, not a big issue. Direct method you do it. Now we will avoid substitution method, okay? Later I will just do that trigonometric identities. Now this is a first exercise, right? You do it with the direct method only. So first what it is, ma? Function is 1 plus under root 1 plus cot x. First we need to differentiate it what? 1 by 2. The power we have to differentiate. 1 plus cot x to the power half minus 1. Differentiation of function. Function is 1 plus cot x. Correct? So it will be 1 by 2 under root 1 plus cot x into differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of cot x is what, ma? Minus cosecant square x. Correct? So the answer will be minus cosecant square x by 2 under root 1 plus cot x. This is also simple, right? So first you be thorough with this and then we can see the other techniques. Clear? Any doubt? Next. Function is what? Cosecant cube 1 by x square. Same method. First power. Okay. 3 cosecant square 1 by x square. As it is angle you have to write it. Then d by dx of cosecant 1 by x square. So second step what you will do it. The function we have to differentiate. Cosecant x on differentiation is minus cosecant x cot x. Right? Cosecant x cot x is 1 by x square. Here function. Okay. Then we have to differentiate the angle which is 1 by x square. Any one of you remember what is the differentiation of x 1 by x square ma? D by dx of 1 by x square. Can we do the differentiation by keeping the function in the denominator? No. X power minus 2. So minus 2 x power minus 3. That is minus 2 by x cube. So here it is minus cosecant cube 1 by x square cot 1 by x square, and differentiation of this is minus 2 by, okay, minus already I have, here minus, this minus, correct. So it is 6 by x cube cosecant cube 1 by x square cot 1 by x square. Clear ma? Any doubt you can tell me. Next question. Under root sine x cube. Very simple, right? Already multiple times we have done like this. So what it is? D by dx first power, that is 1 by 2 sine x cube to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Correct? Then differentiation of sine x cube. So what it will be? 1 by 2 root sine x cube. 1 by root x is what? 1 by, sorry, differentiation of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. Differentiation of under root function, the same thing we are getting. Only thing is we are differentiating the function again. So here cos x cube d by dx of x cube. First function and then angle. So cos x cube by 2 root sine x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So 3x square cos x cube by 2 under root sine x cube. Clear? In this any doubt you can tell me. 1 minute. Did I substitute all the yeah. 3 by 2. Don't copy. Okay, you do it by yourself. If I have to wait, if you want me to wait, I will wait. Next, y equal to root x sin x. So here first dy by dx will be equal to what? 1 by 2 x sin x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Then differentiation of x sin x, which is nothing but what? 1 by 2 under root x sin x. Differentiation of x sin x, product rule, right? So product rule means first I will keep x as constant, differentiate the other function, then sin x you keep it as constant, differentiate the first function. That is product rule, correct? So now 2 root x sin x in the denominator. Here differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x plus sin x, differentiation of x is 1. So in the numerator what it will be ma? X cos x plus sin x divided by 2 root x sin x. Any doubt? Don't copy again and again, I insist. Okay, I can wait. Okay. But do it by yourself. That's what important. Here and there you can see, but the method you should be clear. Next, y equal to under root cot root x. So what it will be? Dy by dx first power, that is 1 by 2 cot of root x to the power half minus 1. So d by dx of what it will be? Cot root x I need to differentiate. Correct? Now I will stop with this sum. All of you remaining sums you have to do it. Example sums now I will give you. So all the example sums you are doing by yourself. Clear? And you have to show me the answers. That's why I did exercise sum now. So I will stop here and you have to do the example sums and show it to me. So 1 by 2 under root cot root x. Okay. D by cot x differentiation is what? It is minus cosecant square root x and differentiate the angle. Okay, differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Already 2 is there. So 1 by 4 root x. Okay, here it is minus cosecant square root x by under root cot root x. Just check once whether the answer is correct. Did I properly differentiate? Yes, good. So the last one sum I will do it now. Now your turn. So do it and show it to me on the screen and then proceed with the next question. Okay. So the remaining I think 30 questions are there that we can do it. Not an issue. Okay. You can do it, ma. So I will stop here.